Hello and welcome everyone to a new video on your channel, Mr. Tech Tips. In today's video, I will show you how to delete a playlist on YouTube. To do this, it's very simple. You have just to go to YouTube, open it, and after that, go and click on your picture on the bottom right of the screen. And as you can see here, you have all your playlists. So to delete a playlist, you have just to click view all. And after that, as you can see, next to every playlist, there is 3 points. You have to click on them. And the first option is delete. So if you want to delete any playlist, you have just to click on the first option, which is delete. And after that, confirm and click delete again, in that playlist will be deleted. But there is one important thing that you should know. If the videos on the playlist are your own videos, and I mean here that you uploaded those videos to your YouTube channel, the videos will remain on your channel. They will not be deleted with the playlist. But if you just saved other random videos from other channels to that playlist, so you will not find them again. So you need to do some research or to look for them again. But if you delete your playlist, they will disappear, and you should maybe collect them again one by one or in another playlist. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, to like this video, and see you in the next one.